Guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to add location on your account on Rednote, and also how to show location or don't show it. So this is easy. Just go to the Rednote, and here you will find this. You are on the right, the home section. Go to the profile and go to the profile section. You can manage it here, and as you see here you will find this location, as you see. So here you can choose location, and also you can if you want to show location or not showing it, as you see, you can just turn it on or off. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.